the product experience center is not only limited for product demonstrations, it's more beyond that. We do lots of R&D activity here. We do media sampling, we do customer sampling, we do color profiling over here. We also make sure customer to solve their queries and advising them to develop new application to enter in new market segments.
The idea behind creating the Product Experience Center is to educate, empower and encourage all our visitors and prospective buyers a hands-on experience of all the products. Such an experience enables visitors to understand the product better in a stress-free environment and helps them in making the right purchase decisions.